our own special drink. Look what we have, ingredients. This is ginger. This is the mixing soda. This is bubble water. This is honey. This is special drink. This is a juice that has cherries in it, right? So today, let's make our own step. First, I'll put some of that after this.
What is that?
Honey.
Is it local honey?
Look, the honey. It's not on there.
It's going. Say, chef.
Shoe chef.
Yes, chef.
Yes, chef. Guess what we made?
Pour it into your little glass.
We made our own bubble water. Look what we got here. So this is our own bubble